Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
19 minutes after the hour. Yeah, Gordon, it's nice to see traffic moving along on the major roadways this morning. And I have to admit, most of the major roads are in pretty decent shape. They were treated overnight and salted, but those untreated surfaces are very slick this morning because we did have some snow. The rain changed over to snow for a period yesterday evening, and then conditions became less favorable for the snow toward the wee early morning hours. So we're kind of dealing with more of a wintry mix as we begin the day. And for the past couple hours, we've been dealing with some freezing rain and freezing drizzle across the area. So if your vehicle is outdoors, you're going to need extra time to get that ice off the windshield this morning as the temperatures moderate a little bit, at least initially. Well, they're not going to be moderating all that much, but at least the precipitation is going to be changing over to snow for us today. So at least that will kind of resolve that freezing drizzle, freezing rain situation that we started the day off with. As we check the current weather conditions out there, we're starting to see that changeover already now. It looks like at a lot of locations that frozen wintry mix going over to a little bit of light snow here in Buffalo, also at Dunkirk, the Dash SN, and also at Rochester. There's a UP being reported up here at Niagara Falls, and what that means is unknown precipitation. These are automated devices that determine the precipitation type coming down, and the machine's having a difficult time resolving that. So there still may be some patchy freezing drizzle mixed with a little bit of snow at the falls. Freezing rain again mixed with some light snow at Toronto, and freezing rain down back to the west at Erie, PA. It has not been a good trip along the lakeshore this morning either. The weather for today around Buffalo and the suburbs, we're going to be looking at that wintry mix to begin the day. 28 degrees at 8 a.m. at noontime, 25. We're actually turning colder today. We should be into the low 20s by 5 p.m. with some very light snow but minimal accumulation anticipated across the area. Fair amount of precip being painted on the map here for the super microcast for the morning hours. Some lingering snow showers into the afternoon and especially into tonight, mainly across the ski country. And I think the clouds will probably break out a little bit toward morning, especially across northern areas, Buffalo northward. If this happens, it's going to be a very cold start to the day again tomorrow with a snowpack on the ground and light wind speeds. Will probably be down close to zero again maybe in some spots. Getting into Thursday, some limited sun will give way to increasing afternoon clouds and some widespread light snow breaks out across the area getting into tomorrow night. That will continue into Friday morning, and you may have to shovel this stuff. It looks like amounts might be a little greater south and east of the region. On the roadways, a wintry mix. Most of the roads this morning. North and south, the QEW, the main line east and west, into Rochester, back to the west into Erie. The I-86 pretty much just cloudy. 28 degrees at Niagara Falls and Buffalo. Right now we have a 30 down here at Wellsville and 27 at Jamestown. Here's your forecast for this Wednesday. Halfway through the week already. That's a good thing. Cloudy skies, freezing drizzle and rain, changing over to very light snow and turning colder today with temperatures dropping through the 20s. We'll be down to about 20 to wrap up the afternoon. Scattered snow showers in the hills tonight. Some breaks in the clouds, Buffalo northward, 5 to 15. Tomorrow, limited sun to start the day, then increasing clouds and some widespread light snow breaks out across the region overnight. 18 to 22 on Friday. Widespread accumulating snow in the morning, tapering to snow showers in the afternoon. Greater amounts south and east. Windy, some blowing snow in open areas in the afternoon. 18 to 22. A very cold weekend shaping up. Mainly dry on Saturday, but 13 degrees for a high. 15 on Sunday. A few light snow showers around.